who benefited from black codes. Have you ever wondered how laws created after the American Civil War impacted society? The Black Codes were a set of laws passed by Southern states right after the war. These laws aimed to limit the freedoms of newly freed African Americans. So, who really benefited from these codes? The primary beneficiaries were white Southerners, particularly former slave owners. With the end of slavery, these plantation owners lost their free labor force. The Black Codes were designed to ensure that they could still have a cheap and controlled labor supply. These laws forced African Americans into labor contracts that were often similar to slavery. If they were unemployed, they could be penalized for vagrancy. This meant that many black individuals were stuck working for low wages under harsh conditions. Southern white political leaders also gained from the Black Codes. Many of the lawmakers who enacted these laws were the same men who had led the South during the Civil War. They used the Black Codes to restore white supremacy and maintain political control over African Americans. These laws restricted African Americans' rights to vote, own property, or fully participate in civic life. This helped keep the social hierarchy intact, with white Southerners at the top and African Americans at the bottom. Beyond economic benefits, the Black Codes reinforced a racial caste system. They limited African Americans' civil rights, including their freedom of movement and assembly. This legal framework ensured that white dominance remained unchallenged in the South after the war. It helped maintain segregation and discrimination, benefiting the white population both socially and politically. In essence, the Black Codes primarily served the interests of white Southerners. They created a system that ensured cheap labor while upholding white political and social dominance. Although African Americans were legally free, these laws severely restricted their rights and opportunities. The Black Codes effectively continued many aspects of slavery under a new name, keeping African Americans in a subordinate position in society.